All right, so what exactly are you getting with the St. Patrick's Day Challenge 2024 taking place inside the PPC Coach group coaching program? Well, you get access to a lot of stuff. First of all, you get access to support right here on the forums. And when you get in here, you can go to the Start Here section, and there's like a whole bunch of steps that you go through to learn how to use a group coaching program best. And then there's introductions where you go to like introduce yourself. Then there's a general discussion, and right here is where it's going to take place. Inside this one, number 54, St. Patrick's Day 2022. So within here, what we do is we put a little what's called sticky thread, and you click that link in order to register, and then the replays will go 1, 2, and 3 right there. I'll post homework in here as well as how to get help, and you simply get help by making a post and asking for help. But that's not all you're getting inside the St. Patrick's Day Challenge 2024. You're also getting access to the rest of the group coaching program, including all the completed challenges. And there are 53 of them in here. We've covered everything from WooCommerce to Etsy to Shopify to directly using print-on-demand suppliers, all different types of print-on-demand products and even digital products we've done in here. There's even challenges from last year that you can go through for St. Patrick's Day. And we started with Christmas, Valentine's, funny coffee mugs, Mother's Day, Father's Day, teachers, weddings, face masks, another Christmas. We just keep rotating through all the different holidays and what we can do on print on demand with them. And I've got a whole bunch on email marketing as well. A couple different methods that I put in here. And it's just a gigantic resource for you. There's basically 53 of these, and each one of these, if I go into this one, if you want to start your own WooCommerce store, here you go. There's 3 trainings on exactly how to do it over my shoulder. So you can watch those. Each one of these has 3 training sessions within them, and they're at least an hour long. So if you go like this for the support side, there's a boatload, and there's a whole bunch of resources available too. So 53 of those times 3, 159 training sessions, plus the 3 new ones that are coming up that are going to be live right here inside the group coaching program. So that's not all though. Like right now, what I do is this is run on a closed door cycle. So you can't join at any time of the year. You can only join at certain times of the year when I open up the doors. And right now the doors are open. They're closing very, very soon. So if you want to get in there, you have to click that link to get in. It's either above or below the video now or on the side. I don't know where it is. Anyway, that's the first thing you get is support right here in the forum. Second thing is a whole bunch of previous challenges that you can access, and you can go through every single piece of training you want. And the other thing that I'm offering is something a little bit different. I don't usually do this, but I said, you know what? Let's give you some free designs. Let's get you started. So I've got these, everybody in the pub getting tipsy, fit chased, and this one, Irish today, hungover tomorrow. I wish you were beer. That one I can't read. Oh, keep calm and leprechaun on. Kiss me, I'm drunk or whatever. Kiss me, I'm Irish. Let's get ready to stumble. Lucky. And then this one, Shamrock Day. So not only did I do that, but I said, okay, I'm going to give you 10 designs that you can use and you can sell on your store. I don't care if you're using Etsy, Shopify, or WooCommerce, whatever you want to use. Everybody's at different preferences. But then I said, okay, I'm going to give you some free mock-ups too. So I went ahead and I created a whole bunch of mock-ups for you. So I got male and females in here, and you can see you can use these very easily. And I'll show you an example here of how simple it is to use these mock-ups. There's 25 mock-ups that you get included. So let's go to Photopea for 1 second. I'm going to demonstrate how we can use this. Let's find one that we want to use. Maybe, let's see. Maybe, which lady do I want to use? Oh, she's not bad. Kind of a darker one, that'd be cool. That's a good one too. Ah, there we go. Okay, so I'm going to drag and drop this one into Photopea, and then you'll see that it's basically ready to go on the size wise here. Let me move that out of the way. The image itself is 2000 by 2000 at 300 dpi, so it is a high quality image. Now you have options here. You can just put the mock-up, the design over this, and you can leave it on the full face and everything, but I'll show you a little trick here that I'm going to do. So let's get rid of the actions, close this. Hang on 1 sec. Okay, let's go over to our folder and let's pick a design now that we want to put on there. Let's go with this one. How about this one? Kiss Me I'm Irish. So I want to use this on this mock-up. So I'm going to drag and drop it right there. And then it goes below it. So I have to drag the layer up above. And now it goes really, really big. But I can resize this to make it fit. I can put it right on her shirt. Make it look pretty. And that's actually a really nice shirt. Like, I'm very happy with that. I'll be selling these myself. So you can do it like that. You could also do a couple other tricks, but that's an easy way to do it. Then if you're like, okay, I don't want the full facial hair. I want just kind of the shirt to show more than anything. Well, you can crop this. So you hit this little crop thing and you go a ratio of 1 to 1. And you can do a nice little square. So if I want to just come in here on the shoulders and make really the design the huge focal point of this, I can do that too. So if I go like that, and then I go image, crop, now that is a pretty decent looking mock-up. So let's go select all, deselect. I'm just trying to get rid of those transform controls. There we go. And now this size is going to be a little bit smaller, so I can go image, image size, and again I can bring that up to 2000 by 2000. And what I did is I just kind of customized my mock-up. So I made this mock-up will work very, very well on all sorts of platforms. Like on Etsy, it'll work awesome. On Shopify, it'll work. On WooCommerce, it'll work. And one other little trick that we can do here, if we want to make it a little bit different, I think this will work. I'll go to blending options, and I'll just go to, move this over so you can see how it happens. I'll go to overlay, I think it's color overlay. I'll just go multiply. And I'll go fill down a bunch. Oh, it's not working. Hang on. Okay, hang on one sec. I can't remember what I was going to do with that. Anyway, that looks really good. Just like that. So I can use that for a mock-up. You get 10 designs, 25 mock-ups. You get all the support you need on here. And then you also get the live training session. So this is a really good deal, I think. The support and the mock-ups and the designs are just crazy. And if you're like, well, I've never opened up an Etsy shop, I don't know how to do it, I've got training on that. If you're like, I'm interested in WooCommerce, I just don't know how to do it, I've got training on that. If you're interested in opening up a Shopify store but you don't know how to do it, I've got training on that. And then you can even go back here to the group coaching program and you can search for all the stuff that's on Etsy. There's a whole ton. There's results, like over 10 pages of results, just dedicated to Etsy. There's just so much in here. It's crazy. This has been around for, well, we're coming up on 5 years now. This is about 4.5 years that I've been running the group coaching program, and heavily leaning on print on demand. Then last year I got heavily into digital on Etsy, and now I'm getting back into my bread and butter, which is print on demand more than anything. So if you want to profit from Valentine's Day 2024 and you're not sure how to do it, this is how. Come and join the group coaching program. Come and join the St. Patrick's Day 2024 challenge with us. There's already people in here that are participating. And then I'll give you designs, I'll give you mock-ups, I'll give you training, I'll give you support. Basically everything that you need to profit. I don't care which platform you're selling on, this works on them all. So that makes me a little bit unique in that I'm not platform specific anymore. I do like Etsy, I do like Shopify, I do really, really, really like WooCommerce a lot because of the, well, I can go over the benefits, but that's a whole other video. Maybe I'll do a video on that. Anyway, let me know if you have any questions. The doors are closing soon, so please hop in there as soon as possible. We'll see you inside the group coaching program. Have a great day.